Residents of Langol along with Zilairong Human Rights Protection Forum Manipur states rally to withdraw cabinet decision for extension of G. Robindro Sharma this morning at Langol. Protester held placards written as "No one is above the law, but BJP is above the law in Manipur. We condemn extension of G. Robindro Sharma." A 4-day meeting between the Border Security Force and Border Guards Bangladesh concluded in Kolkata. Several major issues including measures to curb trans-border crime, including unwanted loss of life, smuggling of cattle, drugs and narcotics were discussed at the meeting. Smuggling of arms and ammunition and gold were also deliberated upon during the Border Coordination Conference between Inspectors General of BSF and Region Commanders of the BGP. The Nagaland Education Association strongly highlighted the need for a clear-cut education policy in Nagaland. The association also worked out the necessity to frame a comprehensive state education policy. NEA has already initiated a policy research to assess the present status of education policy in Nagaland since the inception of the statehood. Jammu and Kashmir Police arrested third member of a newly formed Jaish Mohammed module which was raised to carry out terrorist activities in Baramulla district of North Kashmir. The alleged terrorist identified as Mohsin Manzoor Salhia, a resident of Old Town Baramulla. One of the members of the group was killed in an encounter with security forces in August, days after the center's move to Article 370.